Welcome back to TechKidFX for another HARMONYONE price prediction update, and in this video I'll be giving you the latest developments that have been happening here on the HARMONYONE chart, which has continued to obey the ED12 structures. And before I get further into the technical analysis, first give this video a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel, and also check out the channel membership. And allow me to start the video here on the daily chart by first giving you a quick recap of what has been happening, where you can see that HARMONYONE, from these low prices that we had been trading within, we saw a very nice bounce to the upside, making it to an all-time high at around the $0.38 mark in what I'm terming as a larger ED12 count one to the upside. And after seeing the all-time high, we started the bear market, where we had been seeing lower prices in this ABC corrective structure, where we have seen that with C giving us a low at around the $0.009 mark in what I'm terming as a larger ED12 count 2 to the lower side. And after seeing the formation of a second wave, whatever we expect on the long-term scenarios is another bounce to the upside in the formation of a larger ED12 count 3. And here on the daily chart, I have a target area to the upside in the formation of that wave 3 at the fib level 1.618, which perfectly lies at around the $0.61746 mark, and that is the minimum that I'm expecting that wave 3 to the upside to do before we can expect a wave 4 and then continue pushing even higher in the formation of that wave 5. So that is what I'm expecting on the long-term scenarios. And jumping to the 4-hour chart for further analysis and also give you the short-term scenarios that I'm expecting to play out. Here on the 4-hour chart, you can see that after making our low at around the $0.009 mark, we started a very nice bounce to the upside in a move that has also been obeying the ED12 structures. And before I get to the ED12 structures, I can first give you a measure from this lower low to the high that you have made here on the charts. That is the lower high at around the $0.01632 mark, and you can see that the market is up by 172.52%, which is a very nice bounce to the upside. And getting to the ED12 structures that we have right here, so that I can give you the short-term scenarios that I'm expecting to play out, we can have these as the first wave to the upside. And after seeing the peak for that first wave, we saw a corrective structure right in the formation of this wave 2, and I believe whatever we are seeing at the moment is the formation of that wave 3 before we can expect a wave 4, then continue pushing even higher in the formation of that wave 5. And once you see the formation of this wave 5, I believe HARMONYONE will be completing an even larger ED12 count 1 to the upside. So once you see the formation of that wave 5, we can name that 5-wave structure to the upside as a larger ED12 count 1 to the upside, and giving you my next target areas in the formation of this wave 3, and also get to see whether we have peaked in the formation of this wave 3 using a trend-based Fibonacci, connecting it from the low of the first wave to the high of that wave 1, then dragging the fibs to the low of the second wave. That gives me a minimum target area to the upside in the formation of that wave 3 at the fib level 1.618, which perfectly lies at around the $0.03185 mark, and that is the minimum that I'm expecting that higher ED12 count 3 to the upside to do before we can expect a wave 4 and then continue pushing even higher in the formation of this wave 5 to complete an even larger ED12 count 1 to the upside. So that is what I'm expecting here on the short-term scenarios. And given the support of the 20-day MA, we have also managed to break above a key area of resistance at around the $0.0176 mark. Then there are chances of continuing to push even higher to fully maximize the formation of this wave 3 before we can expect that wave 4 and then push even higher in the formation of that wave 5. And once that higher ED12 count 1 is in, then we can expect a corrective structure over here in the formation of a larger ED12 count 2. So that is what I'm expecting on the short-term scenarios. And once all this plays out, then we can expect a larger ED12 count 3. So that is what I'm expecting on the short-term scenarios, and also taking a look at the indicators to see what movements will be supported. Here on the RSI, we are trading at around the 61 mark, meaning we have massive room for us to support further movements to the upper side in the formation of that wave 3. And also taking a look at the MACD, we have been able to print a bullish cross, fully supporting the formation of that larger ED12 count 3. So let's be patient and see how that plays out, and I'll be keeping you updated.